Alam mo, sayang kasi ang sarap pa naman sana nitong chicken na to, kaso ang problema, hindi pa sila kilala dito sa Angeles City. Kaya ayun tuloy, hindi nyo pa nasusubukan yung flavor ng mga sauces na dito nyo lang matitikman kasi sila mismo yung gumagawa niya. This place is called Buff's Chicken, located sa May the Hood sa Santo Domingo, Angeles City. Open daily from 11:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. at available din sa GrabFood. Nagsimula ito sa Marilao, Bulacan at ngayon dinala nila sa Angeles City. Ang unang susubukan natin ay yung kanilang pork tonkatsu with rice, and we're having it with their Japanese style barbecue sauce na panalo. I would say kalasa siya ng barbecue sauce ng McDonald's. Yung carbonara nila is quite unique because apart from the mushrooms, meron din siyang corn kernels. At pag umorder ka ng pasta, pwede mong i-avail yung combo meal na meron chicken poppers or with chicken wings. Nagsaserve din sila ng Filipino style spaghetti, and personally, mas nagustuhan ko talaga itong kanilang tuna pesto. Etong cheese sticks nila, medyo lasang pizza na ginawang lumpia. Parang ganon. We also tried having it with their magic mayo sauce, which is a burst of umami. At meron din sila ng spicy version nitong magic mayo. Up next, we're having their tender pops, or eto yung version nila ng chicken poppers, and we're having it with their taco sauce. Kuhang-kuha yung essence ng taco with a hint of Mexican spices dito sa sauce na to. Eto naman yung kanilang chicken wings. Pwede mong i-request na i-coat na nila agad ng sauce, or ako personally, I prefer na hingin yung sauce on the side para i-dip mo na lang. At ayan, hindi namin mapigilang balikan yung barbecue sauce because it's just that good. Meron din silang cheese sauce that has a little bit of a kick. At kung mahilig ka sa burger, meron din sila nitong chicken burger with fries. If anything, yung naging suggestion ko sa kanila wag masyadong malasa yung pagkakatimpla ng manok. Para yung bida talaga yung sauces. Kasi masarap yung timpla ng mga sauce nila at dito nyo lang talaga matitikman yan kasi hindi yan galing sa bote na nabibili sa supermarket. Sila talaga yung nag-formulate nito. Panalo itong lime garlic sauce. Hindi tinipid sa garlic. It's citrusy and a little bit sweet. Perfect siyang pantanggal ng umay. And last but not least, meron din sila noong spicy sauce. Moderate lang yung heat nito, medyo buttery and may konting hint of sweetness. Palagay ko kung pipili ako ng top 3 sa mga sauces nila, I'll choose barbecue, spicy, and yung lime and garlic. Ikaw, ano kaya yung flavor na magugustuhan mo? I-try nyo na rin ang Buff's Chicken and let me know what you think.